This is a 12th generation Toyota Crown that once served as the success car of a businessman from Zhuhai, Guangdong, and it has driven less than 240,000 kilometers. The owner clearly loved the car and took good care of it for many years, which is why the seat leather still shows relatively little wear. However, time still left its marks as the door panels, armrests, and steering wheel show visible signs of aging and use, while the exterior also carries scratches and different levels of wear and aging from years on the road. Alright, no more talk. Let's take a look at how this legendary Crown from the Zhuhai boss is brought back to life. Exhaust pipe removal. Remove drive shaft. The shock absorber is leaking oil severely. Thoroughly clean the chassis. Preparing to apply full underbody armor to the vehicle. Rust removal of chassis components. Sandblasting. Screw sandblasting. Replace the shock absorbers. Spraying intermediate primer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Remove 4 doors and 2 covers. The entire car was meticulously polished. Precise formulation of Parrot 90 series water-based paint. Configuring PC40 anti-slip star machine.